So hi everyone, welcome to our first fun session because we're gonna have two of them. And I'm gonna introduce a very special guest. But before that, I also want to introduce Ria Pereira. She is one of the Bound team members. I don't think you have met her yet. She's the communications officer.
Hi, nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, and so our special guest today is Supriya Rakesh. She is a Bound alumni. She attended a virtual retreat last year. She is a writer. She writes short stories mostly. She's also a social researcher. So she has a PhD in organizational behavior from IIM Bangalore. And she has done a lot of like cool research in careers and career changes and transitions. She also is a theater practitioner, so she has learned improv, playback, theater of the oppressed, and psychodrama. And she has performed. She's done performances. She has done like workshops and facilitation. So she's done a lot of things basically. And also the most important thing about her is that she's my sister. Everyone, welcome Supriya.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do a sound movement along with our names, but we're going to do something that represents who we are, right? So we're going to do something that is like, okay, this is who I am. So again, like this, you don't have to think too much. It's like whatever comes on the spot. And then the rest of us will play it back to you. How does that sound? So it could be anything. It could be how you're feeling at the moment. It could be what you like to write about. It could be anything. Okay, it's just who you are.
So,
I'll
Supriya,
begin. I'll begin.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I'm going to begin. Yeah.
Okay.
So, la la la, Supriya. La la la, Supriya. Who'll go next?
La la la, Supriya.
Oh yeah. La la la, Supriya.
Supriya.
La la la, Supriya.
Okay.
I forgot the playback part.
We have to copy.
Yeah, you have to,
Yeah, you have to play it
yes.
back.
Yes.
The way we did in the morning. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now I feel like I've been put on the spot. Okay. Aishwarya.
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 Yeah.
Okay, great.
I'm so glad this is not live. So.
Riya.
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 Who's next? Kala.
Okay. Kala. Oh.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Kala.
Oh. Yes, Shasvi.
Okay.
Quick, whatever.
Yashasvi.
Yashasvi.
I'm small in case you can't tell.
Tara.
Tara, yeah.
Yeah.
Rohit. I'm just going to call out based on my view.
Rohit.
Riya.
Riya.
I would really like to know how this is you, but we'll do that.
Oh, this has to be us. I have no idea how this is.
Yeah.
Okay, it's all right. Ritika.
Jyotika. Dhum ta na 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 na.
Nice.
All right, that was fun.
No,
fun.
wait, there are more people.
Oh,
Okay,
there are?
Ritika, tag someone.
Yeah, tag someone.
Sunana.
Sunana.
Neeti.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me think.
How do I get it? It shows me.
Huh?
Go to gallery view.
Yeah.
Yeah, gallery view. You'll see everyone. Oh, I forgot what I was about to do. Yeah. Okay.
Neeti, it's
Neeti,
spontaneous.
boom, blast.
Nice.
Neeti.
Neeti, boom,
Blast.
I'll
Who's
tag
next?
Malcolm. Malcolm.
Malcolm. Malcolm.
Malcolm.
Malcolm.
Malcolm.
Malcolm.
I'll tag Vanshika.
Anshika.
Vanshika.
Anshika.
I'll tag Muskan. I think Muskan's left.
Muskan.
Muskan.
I'll tag Abhilash.
Oh, I thought I would escape. Okay.
No.
Abhi.
Abhi.
So let's move on to our next game. The next game is called passing the ball. Okay. So you guys can see this ball in my hand, right?
Right.
Sure.
See?
Yes.
Yeah. What color
Yes.
is it? What color is it?
Red.
It's this big. It's red in color. Yeah. So I can sort of like do this. I can dribble it. And I can pass it around to someone. So I'm going to pass it around to Aishwarya. So I'm going to do this slowly.
Okay.
Okay.
What do I do with it?
So you can pass it around. You can pass it around slow, like this, or you can do it fast. And
Okay.
you tag the person you pass it on to. Just
Okay.
one more thing. This ball increases in size as you pass it around.
Okay. So every time the next person gets it, it's a
Yes,
bigger ball.
it's gonna be a bigger ball.
Okay.
Let's do
Tara,
this.
this is going to you. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
Okay, good. Who are you gonna send it to, Tara?
I'm gonna send it to Ria Mehta.
Be ready. Oh, okay.
Almost missed.
Yeah, it's become bigger. See? Yeah, it's bigger now.
Pass it along to Ritika.
It's become bigger, Ritika.
Ritika, it's bigger, yeah.
It's bigger. Yeah.
I'm going to pass it to Rohit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to pass it to Abhilash.
Wait. Okay. Oh my God.
Okay, Abhilash, what's happening now
Yes.
is as the ball also gets bigger, it's also getting hotter.
Okay. Yeah, I can feel it.
You can feel it, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe it's
It's a
just.
low warm
Throw it.
now, but it's gonna get
Yeah,
hotter.
yeah.
Okay. Who's
Who are you
left?
gonna
Jaldi
throw it
batao. Malcolm, catch. Malcolm, catch.
Whoa, okay.
Malcolm, it's getting hotter. You better throw
it's
it
getting
quickly.
hotter. Yeah.
You better throw it quickly.
Yeah, I'm throwing the ball to who have to Sunaina.
Nana, get ready.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh,
I should see
getting
that.
so hot.
Yeah, I should see that's for you.
Okay.
Oh my God, where is your...
Yashasvi fell down.
Vanshika.
Okay, who's left? It's really hot here.
Muskan, I think. Muskan is left.
Yeah, throw it to Muskan.
Muskan.
Whoa, okay. Don't fall down. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our body face, what we have, to just depict it. We can make a sound, but not say words. Does that make sense? So let's try it out. So I'm going to say sad. I'm sad.
Do we all do sad?
Yes, everyone do
Okay.
sad.
I'm sad.
Glad. Anxious. Surprised. Kala, look surprised. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to amp up the emotions. Okay. So if what we were doing was 1, there's going to be a 2 and a 3. So we can be glad,
Okay.
we can be happy, we can be elated, right? So we're going to do like a 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
So let's do afraid 1. Afraid 3. Sad 1. We can make sounds, by the way.
Okay.
Sad 3. Bored 2.
Yeah.
Happy
That was a
3.
fake yawn, no?
It better not be a real one.
It was a fake yawn.
Happy 3. On the roller coaster.
Stop.
On a first date.
That's a very long series of emotions.
Let's see them
You
all.
start
Let's
emotion.
see them all.
See them all. Oh.
That's interesting.
Okay. What else? One of you throw a situation.
Nervous for
One
a
of you
first
say
job.
something. Yes, yes.
Nervous for a first job.
Nervous for a first job. All right, and scene. Yay. I'm going to start a scene. Hey, can you pass me the brush?
Sure.
Okay, so this is, so in a very simple exchange, I made an offer, which was, okay, I'm someone getting ready in front of the camera and I need my, in front of the mirror and I need my like things to get ready. So what Aishwarya did was, she accepted that. She was like, okay, this is what is happening. And she added to it. If she didn't know, but this is how it would look. Hey, can you give me the other brush?
What other brush? I don't have a brush.
Yeah. So she could sort of like contradict, or she could just say, why are you standing there? There is no mirror. Or she could just be like, you have no hair. So sometimes that happens is that you come in, everyone comes in with their own ideas and everyone wants their ideas to be the one that go into the scene. So in yes and, whatever idea you came in with, whatever you assumed, you just receive the offer and you build upon it. And when it comes back to you, it's the same thing. So that's the only principle that improv works on, main principle. So who are going to be my two first brave people to start a
Guinea
scene?
pigs.
Please volunteer, please volunteer. Okay,
Malcolm and
Malcolm.
Muskan.
Okay.
Or Muskan.
So what we're going to do is, everyone else, for optimal viewing experience, everyone else can switch off their cameras while this is happening. But before you do that, I need suggestions for a scene, a setting.
Can I?
Not you, not Malcolm.
No, it's Abhilash.
No.
Yes, tell me.
Eating pizza, and the pizza is really hot, but they're both pizza fanatics, so they keep eating anyways.
Okay. All right. So everyone else switch off their video. I'm going to keep my mic on, but everyone else can switch off their mic too.
Can I make it a little more interesting?
Yes. Yes, Niti.
Both of them are pizza fanatics, but one of them, say Muskan, is basically she is feeling the guilt because she understands pizza is a lot of calories. So just another thing, an element to it.
Okay. All right. Let's work with this. Who's going to begin? Malcolm, where did you go?
You know how many calories this has?
That's the point, right? We need all the calories we can get. How can we just go out, spend the whole day shopping, and then come and not have any calories?
Yeah. It's also very hot but tempting.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you can amp up your emotions. Do a level 3. Level 3 of everything.
It's so spicy, right?
Yeah, very spicy, and the calories, the cheese.
Actually, I think we shouldn't have ordered from outside. I just love the pizzas that you make. They are just right, you know. They're not really so spicy, and they're just fine. Sorry, I was just chewing on too loudly. I didn't hear you.
Also, the ones I make are thin crust. This has so much double cheese.
Oh yeah. Actually, that's what I've been waiting to tell you. Can you make your homemade pizzas with that cheese? I know. I just love your pizzas. I love this. This is so exciting.
Okay, and scene. All right, so this has been fun. How are you guys feeling?
Good.
Energetic.
Okay, so we'll conclude. Let's do like a storytelling game. Okay, so this is going to be the last thing. So obviously we're all writers, so we know how to make stories, like no biggie. What we're going to do is each of us is going to say a line. Like, you know that, right? Where the story moves ahead and everyone adds a line. But we're going to go only in alphabetical order. So the first line starts with A, the second line starts with B, and you keep doing that, right? So no pre-planning because you can't. You just have to yes and. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, and we'll try and make sure everyone is kind of getting their one line in. Okay, who's going to begin? Someone other than me begin.
Not me.
Okay, Sunana begin. From A, that's the simplest.
Apparently, 24 years ago, there was a secret underground passage right next door.
Bad things used to happen in this secret underground passage right next door.
Calling it a secret anymore would not be right because it got published in the newspaper and people found out about it.
Do not believe. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, let's just do this and go. It's fine. Yeah. Go.
Who's going?
Do not.
Okay. Do not believe everything you read on the news, in the news.
Except the part about the crow digging his own grave near the door.
Fortunately, I was the one who witnessed it.
Right. So I think it's... Should we do something more or we'll do the Q&A now? Aishwarya, puppet master. So we just decided before you guys came that Aishwarya is like the puppet master and we have to defer.
Unnecessary. I think we should do the Q&A. So, does anyone have any questions?
I have a question. So how does theatre influence your writing?
Like I said, to me, before, say, last year and a half, to me, like my writing, theater, research, they were all like, very separate, very distinct parts of my, work or identity. So it's only recently that I kind of started seeing the intersections. And so to me, one of the important things is theater to me gives me access to inner motivation. So like to do a lot of this work and a lot of using theater as a language helps you access like your own motivation. It helps you understand others better. And so to me, character motivation is like the most important thing in a story or a plot because it takes the story ahead. And motivation is not always simple. They're usually like unconscious, they are complex. They usually like multiple motives that are, grappling with each other. So I think sort of like developing characters in theater and understanding my own emotions through theater exercises sort of like helps me do that.
For those of you, those who don't know, where can one read your other work?
Okay, so all of my work, links to all of my work are on my website. So www.supriyarakesh.com. So this has sort of my fiction and poetry links as well as my research articles. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you, Supriya, for coming and joining us and doing this fun session with us.
Thank you so much, Supriya.
Thank you, Supriya.
Welcome.